After the COVID-19 review meeting held today, Chief Minister of the state, Conrad K. Sangma, informed the media about the state's preparedness in tackling the surge of positive cases during the festive season, should there be any, and also said that basic guidelines and protocol have been set to ensure public safety. While speaking about the vaccine, the Chief Minister said that the Honourable Prime Minister of the country had earlier directed all state governments to ensure that a proper system and logistics are in place to start the vaccination process as and when the vaccine for COVID-19 would be made available.
So we had a basic review of the COVID situation in the state, especially keeping in mind the festive season which has already begun and which will only pick up during the course of this month. So it is important that we come up with basic guidelines and, if necessary, protocols to ensure that people are safe, because we have a tendency that during festive seasons we do tend to let down our guards. So therefore, keeping that in mind, we have decided to have consultations extensively with different stakeholders. So the deputy commissioners will be asked to hold different meetings with different stakeholders to get their feedbacks, and after getting the feedback from them, within a few days' time, or maximum hopefully within a week's time, we'll be able to come up with some guidelines for this festive season. But I think in general I would like to appeal through the media to all our citizens that Christmas time, of course, is a time where we all are in a festive mood. So I would urge that whatever we do, we should always keep the discipline and the safety aspects always there, and as usual maintain all the protocols that we have been maintaining for the past many months.
On the issue of ILP, the Chief Minister said that there is no need for anybody to implement their own ILP, as the state government as well as the Governor of Meghalaya are doing their sincere bit in discussing the ILP and MRSSA issues with the central government. He also stated that the government has ensured that law is maintained and at the same time informed that there is a committed effort from the state government in monitoring all entry and exit points to the state.
No, I think we have been already communicating with everybody that there is a sincere effort from the government side. Even the governor has ensured that he will take up the matter with centre, not just for the ILP but also for the MRSSA. So I think these are all very positive news. So therefore there is no need for any such action to be taken by anybody, and obviously this is something that cannot be allowed also. The government will ensure that the law is maintained, but we will also ensure at the same time that all the steps that need to be taken to ensure that we are monitoring the people who are coming in is something that we are very committed to, and that is the reason why now the entry-exit points, especially the entry point at Umling, is ready physically, but we are just training the manpower now, and I think within a matter of days we should be seeing that entry point being activated. So therefore there can be clearly people will see that there is a committed effort and a commitment from the state government side to ensure that we have a mechanism in place.